So guys, welcome to my channel Sailing Sock. This is your friend Chief Officer Bimlesh Kumar Singh, sailing on container ships. So in this video we will see about the breathing apparatus. The BA set what we have on board when you go for firefighting. So you have to done a BA set and go for firefighting inside the accommodation or outside, wherever you have the site of fire. You have to go over there and fight the fire. But before doing it, you must do some pre-checks before putting it on. So what are the pre-checks, how you are going to test, what is the alarm, what things you have to keep in mind, all this I'm going to show you in this video. And also I'm going to show you how to refill the BA set once it is emptied, how you are going to fill it by using the BA compressor. So let's go dive into the video right away. Okay, so first this is your face mask, and you can see it is a clear glass over here, and you are provided with the straps which you have to make fast behind your head, and also a neck strap. Okay, this is your neck strap for putting inside your neck so that it will not fall over. Second thing, you have a pressure gauge where you can check whether the pressure of oxygen and the amount is enough or not. So you have here red marking, where once the pressure goes below this red marking, it will start giving you a whistle over here. I will show you very soon. And the next one, if the pressure is enough, it should remain in the green line. As you can see, when we open, you can see it, this bar will go over here. Okay, so this is your connector from where you connect your oxygen bottle to the mask. Okay, so first you connect the mask with the oxygen connector.
We have to press these two red buttons, and then we'll just put it inside. And we'll release once we release this red button, this diaphragm will connect to the mask.
Okay, so let's go done it. How we are going to done it? The testing procedure, what we have to test over here, that mask should be clean, your diaphragm should be clear, you have a gauge which is working condition, and there should be enough pressure inside the bottle. And second thing, you have to check the straps. Each strap should be in good condition. The condition of the straps, condition of the face mask, condition of this your straps which you have to put behind your head. So all these conditions should be in good order. Okay, so let's go and check how to done the BA set properly. So this is the procedure how we are going to done a BA set. So you have to put the nozzle, this nozzle away from you. So if you are standing over this side, you have to keep the nozzle on ahead of you, that means on the opposite side of you. And then you have to lift it up, put your hand in between the straps. Yes, and yeah, procedure how you are going to done it. Very good. So you see these straps are in proper position, and you have this bottle behind you, and this is your opening nozzle from where you can turn it and you can open the oxygen. The compressed air will come inside your mask. So how we are going to put the mask? First of all, you have to put the straps behind your neck. Yes, and then put your hand inside the mask and put your head from downside, and mask you have to put on your nose, and then one by one you have to tighten the straps. Okay, tighten the strap, the top one, yeah. So this is how you have to done it. Now open the oxygen. You have to open the cylinder from behind. You have to open it fully, then breathe easily.
Now you can see the pressure. It is around 280.
So this is the pressure you can see here. The gauge has already showing you it is a 280 bar of pressure, and you have to breathe easily. So how you are going to test your positive pressure? You have to put your finger. Yes. See, that means oxygen is coming out. So that means it is a positive pressure. The oxygen should come to you.
it should not leak out. So once you remove the strap, the oxygen will come directly outside. So this is the thing you have to check when you are donning the BA set. Okay, so taking out the BA set from your face mask, what you have to do, remove all the strap from your head. Yes. Breathe normally. Yeah. So here you see the oxygen is releasing and you have to close the bottle from behind. Close.
So the pressure is going down. You can see over here. When it come to red mark, it will give you a whistle. Okay, so for the maintenance part of the BA set, what you have to do, you have to check the pressure gauge. The glass should be cleaned. The strap should be in good condition. The condition of the bottle strap should be good. There is no leakage from any of the link here. Okay, from the joining place also, you don't have any leakage. You have to check it properly. All the hoses should be in good condition. The joints should be proper so that there is no leakage of air. Diaphragm should be good. Your demand valve should be okay. The strap condition and the glass condition of the mask. All these things you have to check during the maintenance, your monthly maintenance.